gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Wait, I gotta kill Prodigy.
Okay.
I have to do this.
Wow.
Fuck you, motherfucker! Fucking shoot me, dead son of a bitch, when I'm asking for help! Oh, shit.
Oh, wait, no. Never mind. Oh. Is that an MTF that just sprinted by?
Yeah. Really goofy looking, too.
It's gonna be right on your right.
What's the most you ever lost on a coin toss? Call it heads or tails.
What do you say? I'll tell him for you.
I actually didn't see what it is. Let me read.
Tell him heads.
He said.
Heads.
He says heads.
Oh, he called it right. You could.
They're behind.
Go, 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 go! Oh, you motherfucker! Go.
How did you not get out? You were the one who said go.
Hey John, I gotta go to the intercom with the last family guy. Can you help me out?
Yeah, hang on, let me look real quick.
Yeah, baller.
Oh, wait. Wait, hang on.
I'm gonna see if I can find it, I guess.
Yeah, keep going that way. You're going right. Yep, keep going. Keep going. Take a left. There you go. Can you get in?
I got important business.
Can you guys get in? Do you need help?
No.
Yeah, could you please open this door?
Yeah, I got you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Family guy on the mic.
They're currently all going to intercom right now.
Damn.
There's this weird looking machine in Stewie's room. I'm gonna see what it does.
Anybody else good DC?
Yeah, I just got
Yeah,
timed out. Yeah.
I like
I was like, I just.
I'm gonna see what the machine does. Fucking,
Yeah, yeah.
And then it completely cuts out. Fucking Laxton crashed the server. God.
The squad!
The squad.
Yeah,
Alright,
you know, maybe the
PB,
squad
no
will work
closing
this time.
doors behind people, okay?
I would never think of
We need your
Not,
scientist.
not with the
squad.
squad.
I would
Okay.
get in! Oh,
The squad.
oh.
Okay, we need to work
He's not
together,
coming
guys.
across.
We need to work
He's
together.
coming!
He's not coming. Who does that?
No,
Oh,
no, it's
okay.
fine.
Uh-oh.
That's a skeleton. That's a skeleton. We're so fucked. Fucked. Goodbye. I'm lagging.
Yeah.
I have
Please,
this
please!
is good.
Here comes...
No.
we must. we need to make sure we get Tristan.
Guards!
The squad!
The squad, BB, the squad.
The squad!
Check the corners of every door you open because that's where Cake was fighting last.
Okay,
On one of the corners.
Yeah, good point.
I'm gonna go check Peanut's room. Oh, I guess Skeleton's room now. Oh, yep, he's hiding in here. He's hiding in Peanut's room. He's in Peanut's room.
Alright.
Get his ass.
No!
Prank him, John.
Yeah. Oh no! He jumped.
He rather committed suicide.
Oh.
We might be able to get there in time.
Oh, yeah, right here.
Right here.
Come on. No! Oh,
Oh.
so dang, man.
Coming down to gate A.
Yeah, he went through gate A.
Oh, he's on. Prodigy, come back. Prodigy, come back.
Okay.
He's going into heavy.
He's. Yeah, on your left, right next to you guys. He just. Oh no, he just juked you.
Guys, I'm right here, you fucking idiots! God damn!
You'll never get the science team. You'll never get the
Hey,
science
guys.
team.
We're the science team now.
Yeah, we're the science team. Poor guy.
Oh, 914 is open.
I'm sorry, Gorson. Oh, the guards just came down behind us. Let's go back to the elevators and get the guards.
Tristan's in 914.
Is he?
Yeah.
I want to get to 914.
I won't tell anybody if you don't, okay, John? I won't tell anybody if you don't, okay? Alright, how did you die so early? Were you a guard?
Oh, I think I hear it.
Welcome in.
Not a guard? Were you wearing orange?
Help me.
We're
We're scientists or D-boys, depending on what class you are.
Somebody just went down there. Who went down there?
There's people outside 914.
You did?
I'm in with
the fuck
and
is
I'm in
Well,
with
there's
Tristan
two
right now at 914 and
skeletons.
we're just hanging out, but there's people outside 914.
Well, keep it like that. I need to find it.
Okay.
Did
Alright, I found
you
it.
get attacked by people who weren't wearing skin?
You'll
No.
never get the science team.
Ah, I understand. Yeah, he does.
Son, I got your voice line to give to you, PB. You just gotta give me a second.
Hey,
Let him.
I have it on
Hey,
good authority.
Oh,
That's not
no!
John out
It
there.
wasn't
Good
supposed
effort.
to be this way!
You'll never get the science team.
We should head back down to turn the nuke off.
Oh no!
I
Were you the other scientist?
I suffer
I thought we had enough time.
Let me in.
You're not
No,
the other
they buffed,
scientist. You shut the fuck
wish
up,
I
you
had
skin
more
stealer.
time.
Wait,
There's 2 grenades down here,
wait,
so we
why?
probably shouldn't left
Wait, hold on. Langston, shut the fuck up.
What the fuck?
How come Nate's out there and
only 4 of them,
speaking,
Jesus.
and you're out there speaking, but PB's the dog and the other one's Plague Doctor? Which one of you motherfuckers is a traitor?
We're all real. It's just that fucking.
Alright.
We're in a really bad situation.
You're gonna feel really silly
Where are we
after
going,
you open
Father?
this gate, by
Back
the way.
down a line.
I'm not opening that fucking gate.
Oh,
Fine,
that?
then we'll all choke here.
here's another door.
Choke?
Good shit out here.
Who is it? Come over here, come over here.
Here, you know what? How about this? If you can guess the correct makeup of classes
What-
outside this
what should
gate,
I do?
all 4 of us will leave. But only if you can guess the correct people out here. The correct class.
I don't know what they want from me.
You gotta guess.
Oh, you're gonna do it? Alright. Alright! I'm coming out!
I'm gonna hold that elevator A.
You'll never get
just
the
to
science team.
provide some support to the team.
Wait, hold on. Hold on. No.
You'll never get the science team.
Now you gotta guess the correct 3 classes out here.
Good work.
I
Gorson.
just got caked.
Other one. I'm stupid.
We did it.
Still a
We killed the
914.
guard. Don't
There's
kill me,
shenanigans.
John.
Tesla
That
gate
hurt.
down here.
Ow, Jonathan.
Oh, I got a D-boy on me.
Jonathan.
I got Palin on me.
Come on,
Don't
I'm
kill
gonna
all the
upgrade you
people in
guys.
914.
Let me
Let
upgrade
them
you guys. Come
open
on.
the.
We're in heavy.
Oh, I got Palin.
Everyone get in. It's upgrade.
He's just on the other side of the Tesla gate.
All right. Jump once.
He had to
for up.
stop for the Tesla.
Do you want?
Got
what
his
setting do you
ass.
want? Can you change it?
Oh, he ran into it
Very
apparently.
fine. All right. Go on in, John.
Wait a minute. It's only Nate left. Kill him.
All right. I'm
Oh no!
Alright.
You can watch them go by.
Okay, you do that since you're less
Here,
threatening.
I'm trying to convince him to come out. I can't hear him. 1 second.
Oh, here they come, John. I'm gonna
Run.
lure one.
Yeah.
Alex, do you hear me?
Fuck him up. Fuck him up. Fuck him up.
Yep.
Ow.
He just got mowed down. Oh my god, they have so many grenades.
Get some! Get some! Oh shit! Get some! No! No! I'm gonna do what I can!
That's a lot. Oh, they're teaming up. Okay, go.
We're flanking them.
We're flanking.
Here they are, boys.
Yeah, we're going for this! Fall back!
I have Palin.
Go, 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 go!
I'm on Palin. I'm on Palin.
We can do this, we
got
can do
this.
this. They fucked
Hey,
him.
that was the one we needed. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh,
You guys so yeah.
we win. You deserve this!
You're a monster.
Hey, you guys alive? Oh, Prodigy, no.
Dog's coming. Shut up. Be quiet. He's coming right in your way, Tarver.
Okay.
Can you hear me, John? Are you out there, John?
Yeah.
Where are you?
Hiding.
Why are you hiding, John? Where are you hiding?
You're very suspicious.
What do you mean? No, I'm a scientist. I escaped with, well, I didn't escape. I mean, I juked it.
The dog. He's coming.
Hey guys, there's no dog. Don't worry.
No!
The skeleton's wearing PB skin right now.
I'm pulling up elevator. Oh, you guys just called elevator B. I'm a scientist.
Well,
We don't have stamina. I don't have stamina to leave.
what do you mean?
Agents.
I was-
Fuck, it's PB.
Oh no! I was told.
Behind me.
Yeah, shut up! I was told it was PB skin. I knew it's PB skin. I didn't think it was you.
This fucking freak is trying to kill me.
It's Tristan. It's Tristan. He's the skeleton.
If you shoot me one more time, I'll shoot him.
Are you still alive, John?
I'm running.
I'm gonna try to find you. I might get eaten on the way, though.
I'm in heavy.
Alright. I'm in heavy.
That was me on Tesla. If you heard it. Oh, is that you?
What the fuck?
Oh, Prodigy.
What the?
What? I don't know what Tristan is. Okay, okay.
Ready?
Correct. See, I know what I'm talking about. Oh.
Oh, stop! No! Why are you all just waiting to firing line me? Jesus!
And give up your spirits. They don't belong to you. For most of you, I believe there is peace.
Why do you keep taking PB skin? You freak.
Although for one of you, the dark
I know you have the same stamina as me.
swallow you whole, so don't keep the devil waiting with humiliation.
I got this gun on hardcore recoil. I'm never gonna miss a shot. Please don't close. Please don't close. Please don't close.
Why are you running, John?
Oh, this dude.
John, help me! John, help
Yeah,
me!
yeah, yeah.
John, I've juked him. Shoot him!
Dude, I'm out of ammo. Tristan, how could you? Let me go. 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 Thank you. How's it going, man? What? Stop that. Oh, oh my god, I went through that. Please, I'm gonna die. Thank you. No, please. No, 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 no. Oh.
Fucking dumb in fucking tears.
Ball.
Yes.
You know what? I'm staying on surface. Screw this. That's me.
Why?
Holy shit! Man, you were supposed to be the creature, the freakster,
PP, what was that reaction time, bro?
You really, man?
I don't want this gun. Oh my.
Run, Mitchie, run! Hey, Mitchie!
Oh, Jesus.
Make an announcement!
Wait, my machine gun's
That's
down
my
here.
announcement. Fuck you.
Hey, what's up there?
Hey, don't come in here. I'm armed.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry!
All right, I forgive you.
Uh,
Don't come around that corner.
I
alright? I'm
won't, I
scared.
promise.
I'm really high. I've been drinking the pink drink. Oh,
Wait,
hang on.
did you drink the... No, don't drink the pink one! Don't drink the pink one!
Oh, fuck yeah.
What are you doing shit me for?
I
Okay.
think.
All right.
I mean, they
You
still
guys
could have
wanna
taken the
upgrade our
scientist.
card all the way and then
I mean, if we find 914
go into
fast.
armory.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, we could fucking.
Oh,
Yeah, we got
Yeah.
time for sure.
We could just
Yeah,
get
I got
us high
time.
enough just to get out of here and armory. That's
So what do we?
Okay, somebody grab that one.
Yep. Yeah, 1-1.
1-to-1.
You don't want to hold it?
Good. That's fair.
Get in there.
We.
No.
Oh.
Hey, we gotta hurry this up.
I think we might want to go on red.
Yeah, let's go. Let's
Yeah,
just go.
yeah.
We'll just book it on red.
Do both of you only have reds?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were doing it as
That's how it
fast
works.
as we
You go
could.
one by one and then 2 fines.
Mhm.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
ones.
I didn't call that. I didn't call that. Stay down. Stay down.
Godspeed.
Speed.
Oh wait, was it just computer? Oh okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank God. Why'd you guys go right? You never go right. What did you do?
Well, you know what? You're kind of right. Get it?
Yeah, well, shut up.
Well, we gotta turn off the computer. So I figure there's gonna be more computer things this way.
Oh,
Like so.
right.
Oh, the
Dude,
red can't
the
open.
red can't do it? Oh, that's so
That sucks.
I
We
guess
gotta
we'll
find
just
one of the
leave.
rooms. Yeah, that works too.
Oh, hey guys.
Shit.
Hey, you guys got 05s? You guys got 05s?
Guys, it's
Oh,
the
shit.
computer. We have to go.
Yeah, we gotta go. We have reds. We have reds.
Go where?
Out. Leave. Gone.
This goes
Oh,
down.
not there.
I wonder who the SCP is. I wonder who computer is. It sounds like Nate,
Didn't,
but I don't
didn't
know.
we think Plague Doctor, right?
The voice distorts so much that I can never tell who it
Yeah.
is.
I can only tell when it's
Pretty
Tristan.
Sure.
That's because I
Yes,
screamed
it-
into it.
Their SCP doctor. I'm like 90%.
I mean, honestly, 4 of us might be able to take Doctor if there's no
Please.
zombies.
Oh, lock him up.
Hey guys.
Oh, hey, Sky. You guys.
Oh,
Guys,
All right, guys, see
So-
your head.
let me tell you this.
Yeah, give us
so,
your story.
It was PB. It was me and PB, and I go, PB, we're gonna PB scum this entire game, and he goes, okay. So like closing doors on people. I'm like, yeah, but we're not gonna do it to each other. And he goes, okay, okay. And so the moment we open the gate out of entrance, Plague Doctor gets us both. We run away. I close the door on PB, and then I hide in a red room.
Oh my god. He wouldn't give you a gun to arrest us.
Listen, clearly
that's
Nate
not what I said. I
just-
said let's try to see if I can.
Oh, for you to turn into. Okay, yeah.
He wants the chance.
You know what has to happen, right, John?
just switch
Yeah.
We were just following orders, okay?
Sorry, it had
Okay,
to be
Nate,
like this.
You know what to do. Go
Tu-
into the room.
turn
go into the
around.
room.
Face the wall.
Take a left. Okay. Keep walking forward.
Hold on.
Now stop. Do you want to do this? Do you want to do this facing us? You want to do this facing away?
Hang on. Can you just give me a moment?
Yeah,
Yeah, that seems reasonable.
I think so. Wait, it's Nate. He has. Maybe we shouldn't give him a moment. I don't.
Oh, Prodigy. Let's play it. Oh, get him!
I think he just. I think he just made his hands fall off. I don't think he did anything bad.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh.
Yeah.
I
You
just saw
kind of
his hands go down,
overreacted.
No, you don't understand. Like, he was cuffed, and then his hands suddenly, like, it was like, Wild West. He reached into his pockets, and I was like, oh no. Just cut his hands off.
Screenshot that. Screenshot the scene.
This does go kind of hard. Someone got F12?
The fucking spotlight. That's horrible. This is horrible.
Yeah, that's god awful.
Oh my god.
Hey,
Remember,
Sky.
guys,
Don't go look in
We
there.
were just following orders. Oh my god, turn around, look at it from here.
That's so. That's a.
Okay, I think there was one more of us on surface. You want to wait?
Computer's watching
This
us.
is
Oh,
a little-
Just kill him! Just kill him! Just kill him!
yeah, just shoot him.
Find the heel.
Same. I'm reloading.
Oh my god, we laid him out.
I told you we could take down a doctor. Oh wait, oh my god, I might die. I'm not gonna medkit fast enough. Oh,
Oh wait, that means there's more zombies. Wait, no there isn't. Okay.
I muted.
That's fair.
What channel's it in? It's so over.
I got the card. Very good, very good.
Oh, that piece of candy.
Candy. And gun.
The scientist who ran away.
Yeah. Aww.
Whoa, whoa,
Hey,
whoa.
Dad.
Hey, guys.
Dad. Hey, guess what?
Get way out of here, buddy. Come here.
Hey, PB, guess what? Look to your left. What? I opened the door, PB.
Oh.
You freak.
That's fair. Here.
Hang on. Let me see if I got anything good.
Hey, I got the card to get out of here.
Oh, did you? If we find an exit, yeah, let's do it.
Alright.
Oh, here we go.
Oh boy, I
Oh,
sure
boy.
can't wait to escape and live.
And
Yes. And definitely live.
I'm gonna stand right here. That sounds like a good idea.
Oh,
I
yeah.
agree.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, my goodness. Well,
Okay.
alright.
They fucking walked away. There's no key card for us. We got... Oh, hey, guards, help us! Help us! Turn around! Hey! Over here!
Literally behind us. 096
Hey,
is
this way.
coming!
Tristan wants both of you tied
Ryan,
up.
the card to get out of here! 096 is coming!
No, I don't want to be tied up.
Somebody...
Nope. Tristan wants you tied up. Where was the room you spawned? You're gonna come with me.
Oh, okay.
Now, where was the room you spawned?
You know, it's this way.
Oh, here it is.
Hey guys.
Here, come on.
There's an 05.
Alright, which one were you in?
I was in this one right here.
Okay, yeah, sure, get in there. Ah, Tristan, help me! This one resisted! He broke out of the ties! Help me!
But 096 is here!
It's a fucking skeleton.
Oh no! My God! It's skeleton!
Where?
Get in yourself! Get in yourself for your own protection! Get in!
096 is here! Oh my God, Prodigy! Untie me!
Okay.
Oh,
No,
096
stay
is
here. Oh my
You
God!
fucking buffoon! That or you're a fucking manatee!
Skeleton was
I
all
can't
this
even
way
think
in
of an insult.
914.
And you know what the worst part is, PB?
yeah.
What?
But Cryo, I can probably get to it.
What am I looking at?
Yeah, what do you...
It's
What?
What?
What? What was I supposed to look at?
Oh,
He's pulling his cock out.
he has... Oh my God.
Oh, the hat.
Yeah.
Where is he?
I thought you were pacifist, PB. What's happening?
I am. I'm just testing my gun.
PB,
Test fire.
I
that's all.
guarantee you he's standing right behind you.
Oh, hold on. I have to reload.
Yeah.
He would
Hey,
get it.
PB, if you waste any more ammo,
He's not gonna shoot anyways. Why does it matter?
I want his ammo though.
That's fair. Where are they?
Oh,
Oh, he's up there.
up there,
He's up
exactly.
there, PB. Get him. Above.
Bring me my fucking hat!
Oh,
Hey,
shit.
hey, this gate,
Go
this
down,
gate.
go down
Gate
here.
B, gate B, gate B, gate B.
Doors down here. Doors opening.
Remember, look down, look down.
The SCPs might die. They just got out of light a little bit ago.
Why haven't
Oh.
you escaped?
How did you? How long have you been down here? Wait, are we gonna just win?
Go!
Run, Tristan! Oh, elevator, elevator, elevator! I don't think they make it.
Elevated by entrance.
They don't make it. They don't make
You know
it.
what I mean?
Yeah, they don't make it. Oh wait, no. Oh wait. There's Larry, Larry, Larry.
That's them.
Get Larry, get Larry, get Larry! Shoot Larry first! Shoot Larry! Shoot Larry! I swear to God!
That's karma! Oh!
You're stupid! I hope you run out! Hey boy.
You already know.
You already know.
Who's here?
You, me, Prodigy, and Mint. Hey, yep.
Oh shit. The pipe sucker, the weirdo, the mint.
That's me.
Which one?
Well, I guess that's all you. Damn.
Yeah. Yeah, every single one's Prodigy. That's
Yeah,
it.
he's every single role in
Oh,
us.
nice.
We're just kind of here. Oh shit.
Let's go. And 1-1, 1-1. No, 1-1.
Call us cool.
I'm a zone manager.
Oh, well, I don't.
Oh fuck,
Wow.
John. I guess you
So-
All right.
Do you have a gun? Do you have a gun?
Why are you asking like that?
Oh my god, he does. Please don't. Please. Please.
Give me your hand!
No.
Oh my god.
Arrest John. Arrest this man.
You did? How could you do that?
We would have been out of here.
Tristan, shoot Prodigy. Shoot Prodigy. Shoot him. Shoot him in the leg at least.
Against the wall! Yeah!
Oh my god.
At least handicap. Hey, he's hiding. He's hiding in the tree. Nolan's in the tree.
Come over here.
Hey, wait. Hey, did Mint? Wait, did Mint get out?
No. Face the wall. Face the wall.
Wait, there's still Mint.
Alright.
Where's Mint?
PB's gonna. No, you face the wall. If you turn around, I'll fucking kill you.
Yeah, turn around, Prodigy.
All right, PB. Now, slow walk so they can't hear you. Pick the one who needs to die.
Alright.
PB, no.
Who's been the nicest? Let's see.
PB, I team up with you no matter what team you're on.
Everyone said
PB, what's your opinion of the Israel-Palestine conflict?
You shut your mouth! You know what? I think I've chosen.
Alright.
Here's mine.
No,
Hey,
hold on, don't
Get
move.
back to your choice. Get back to your spot.
You're
I
not
think
supposed to
I've made
name
my
them. You're
choice.
supposed to slowly walk up to them so they don't know.
Right. I've made my choice.
Alright.
Oh my! Oh. Wait, Tristan! Wait.
Hey, PB, we can be friends, right?
Yeah, PB's chill, honestly. I always team up with you, PB.
I love PB.
Hey, let's upgrade some stuff, PB.
PB's a sweetheart, honestly.
Yeah, Tristan was trying to get you to kill
Tristan,
people.
dude,
Could you?
it's been so long.
Hey, did someone get my? Did someone
Hey,
get my
Tristan,
gun?
say something
Oh, did
funny.
someone get my card?
What?
Oh, you guys got. Okay, hey,
Oh my
let's
God,
heal.
Tristan, you're so much funnier
Heal.
now.
Oh,
Dude,
P-
Tristan, you're so much funnier now. It's crazy.
Oh, okay.
Man, can you believe this dude's kissing up to you?
Dude, your penis is also way bigger. What the hell?
You should wait. Who's your friend?
Making fun of my
PB.
cock?
PB.
No, I'm
PB.
saying- no,
Who-
that's the opposite.
PB, who's your friend?
That's the opposite of what I said. I said it's bigger.
Who's Peanut, PB?
I think I hear a vampire outside. You guys hear that?
Yeah,
No.
well, I
You
see
know
it.
what
It
happens
peed
to
on the door.
vampires, right? They can only come inside if you invite them in.
Doesn't count. You're on the vampire side.
Hey, vampire!
Hi,
you're
Sky.
allowed to
Oh,
come in.
great. There's no
Come
good.
on
There's not
inside, vampire!
Hey, Sky.
Run for your lives! It's a vampire!
I don't know.
Wait, everyone, come
He
here,
just
come here.
lost his skin. He's right there.
Put down the grandmothers.
Hey,
Grand.
we got something for you. We got
Hold
something
on,
for
hold
you.
on. Stop. Look,
Stop.
Wait,
stop,
yeah, it's
stop,
PB,
stop.
PB.
we have something for you.
We have.
Follow us.
Follow us.
Follow us.
Follow us.
Wait,
Alright.
this way? Oh.
Follow us.
This way. Where are we going?
Follow us.
Food lighting. You don't understand. Here it is. I found it.
Oh, is
The
this?
ritual chamber.
Which one's PB? Is it?
Almighty skeleton, please step into the circle. Hold on, move.
Oh. Okay, everyone,
It's
get
not aligned.
in your corners.
It's
Get
over. The
everyone,
fun's
get in your
way.
corners.
Get in.
Get in
There's
your
middle.
corners.
Yeah, there you go.
Nolan, do you have
Alright.
Nolan? Do you have your
Brother
ritual?
Jonathan,
I never got
please.
one.
Hold on, let me close it. Please repeat the first words of the mantra.
Oh.
Hurry, Brother
No.
Jonathan, before the circle breaks.
Oh, great grandmother. We give thanks to your ashes.
America.
Okay.
Amen.
Brother Laxton, please proceed with the second stage of containment.
Of course. For thee, I offer thee one pot.
Don't step into the circle!
Pot in
Step
the
with the
ritual
fucking
corner.
circle.
Brother Nolan, soon his disguise will fade.
Sky! It's Sky! Quick, we gotta speed this up!
All right, and I banish thee, skeleton, into the realm of whence you came! Grandma!
No, I had an extra. There you go. Nice guy. It's kind of dark in here.
This cold.
It's kind of cold.
It's nothing.
I feel at peace.
I'm gonna put the cold.
He just falls over dead.
Hold on!
I
The
think,
car!
yeah.
The car!
The car! Get in front of the... Oh.
I'm gonna take a shit. We died.
Tristan. Did he get hit or did we shoot him? What killed him? What was the final blow? Oh, he got hit by the car. Okay.
Oh, I thought he got shot in the back of the
I did too.
Would have been a lot funnier.
Yeah. Okay, everyone, hang on. Let's get to the back of the bridge. Or, you know, the bridge. Everyone to the bridge. Everyone to the bridge.
It's the final part of the ritual. It's the final.
No, you gotta wait for the... It's a group... How did you jump up there? Why am I so bad at this?
You gotta like kind of side up.
Side hop.
Alright, come on, everyone.
Oh, I got it. Okay. We got everyone?
I shall play Spanish
You have
music.
to,
Yeah.
do it from the
Spanish music.
Medio, suavemente. Te traigo visual. Regresé de entre los muertos con música de YouTube que cumple con los derechos de autor. Disfruta de la gloriosa suavidad conmigo bajo mi gobierno. Viviremos a bien suavemente mi corazón. Es tiempo de suavemente. Te das cuenta de que suavemente es para siempre la luna y el sol morirán, pero la suavidad es suave. Las estrellas brillarán intensamente.
No! Guy!
Is that left
I'm
or
gonna
right?
go this way.
Okay.
That was to the left, that noise, but I think the elevators are this way. That's
0.5
I saw the
seconds.
noise.
Oh, fuck. No, wait, listen. Listen.
No,
Stay
it's
on
the
that,
other
stay on that
entrance
side. I have a sales pitch for you.
Hang on. Come to entrance. Come to the entrance gate. We have a sales pitch.
Transaction. We have for you. You can go ahead.
Right,
okay,
right
all
entrance.
So we have, for your pleasure, we have the finest opioid pain
coming
medicine.
over.
It can
Okay.
take away depression, anxiety, schizophrenia. It can take away decaying bones, rotting flesh. Really, it's kind of like a miracle tonic. Some people call it snake oil, but I feel like snake oil is a bit disrespectful to my fucking trade. Now,
This is awkward.
on this side, we have the finest med kit. It comes pre-packaged with one of these bottles of pills you see, but also it has some pretty epic
is awkward.
bandages. This guy's gonna fucking kill us.
Please do not break my window. I need that. Hearing a strange noise. Probably no issue.
Bandages. This guy's gonna fucking kill us. Listen, you don't have to do this.
You didn't get any of a sales pitch? That's so sad.
No, I was trying to
It
get a
just sounds
sales
like my
pitch.
buddy. Up front.
This is awkward.
What's that noise? That was strange.
Thick bandages. This guy's gonna fucking kill us.
You know-
Listen, you don't have to do this.
He was gonna say something.
What's that noise?
I got nothing on my elevator.
Alright!
Let him live, let him live.
You! I am casting a spell! I am casting a spell! No, you're not gonna be able to run from this spell! It's
This guy's gonna
concentration, motherfucker! Where's he going? Lead me to him. Where'd he go?
Why is he trying to kill me?
I am casting a spell!
Why did you lead him to me?
I didn't mean to. I'm trying to kill him.
He killed himself. He didn't. You know, it doesn't do that much damage.
This guy's gonna fucking kill us. That's nice. Hey, neighbor. Can I... This guy's gonna fucking kill us.
Two of them, so I guess I'll take care of them. You want me to turn nuke on, or what are we? What's the learn?
Yeah, do it.
Okay,
Turn it
okay.
on.
Hey, you know, we can be pals.
Okay, it's on. He's right in front of you. Yeah, yeah. Blast him.
Hey, John. Hey, John.